Hi, welcome back. In the last videos, I discussed many functions of Google Sheets, and we have created drop down, we have created dependent drop down. But the main thing which we are forgetting that what happens when we want to we want to embed the Google Sheets in my website, or if I want to share my Google Sheet with somebody else, or without knowing his or her email address. Because if you want to share this with the people, you should have the email address of the person. But if you do not have the email address, then what will you do? So today I'm going to discuss publish, link, and embed the Google Sheet. So myself KK Singh, I am a GG leader Agra, and I am a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So let's move to my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and this sheet is simply has the records, has the detail of the people who registered for my GEG. And what I want to embed the sheet in my GEG Google Sites. And other than this, I also want to create a link to share it with someone. For that, what should I do? The first thing I must do is I'll have to publish this Google Sheet so that it works like a website. Then how to do this? Let's do it. Go to file menu and then click on share, and after sharing I'll have two options. We'll get two options here. Number one, share with others, and publish to web. There are two options. So I'll have to select the second one. So this windows pops up. This window says, what do you want? Publish. I'm going to publish this to the web. What do you want? Whether link or embed link. So if I click on link, it will publish the sheet and creates the link. Then I'll have to copy this link, and after copying this link I can share with the person through the email or through WhatsApp or whatever means we are using. For example, I'm going to open this website or open this Google Sheet using as the website. So I'll open this in my Cognito window. So in Cognito window, as soon as I press this link or in the address bar and press the enter, in Cognito window, and here if I paste this link and press the enter key, I'll get the same sheet. the main thing which you must notice, if later on I make some changes in this sheet, after some time this change will be reflected in my link, or the person who have got the links, or person who received my this link of the Google Sheet will have the data changed. Correct. So this is the way I can share the link or share the sheet with somebody else, and this is through the link method. Now I am going to embed this in my website. For that I need embed code. So again, publish to web, and this time I am selecting embed and copy this embed code. As soon as I select this embed code and copy this I'll paste in my website. So I'm going to open my website. To open the website, I'll have to use another address or other account. Suppose my GEG account is this, and over here I have opened my website, and in my one of the pages I have clicked this embed link, embed option, embed, and here I'll paste that link which I have copied from my Google Sheet, and will make some changes also. What changes? That I'll show you here. So here I have copied this embed code, and a bit change it requires. And what change I want to make? I just want to make the width and the height of the window to be fit in my web page. So I'll take width as 800, and width should be in double quotes, space, height I'll take as 600, and simply click on next. So see here, the data is reflected on my web page. So on the web page it will look like, and if you want to reset it, you can reset it. And the last point which I must share with you, that after embedding the code, we'll have to publish this web page again. So as soon as I click publish, the data or the sheet is linked with my web page. So see here. And if I make some changes, suppose I make some changes like so this is my website which just I updated. So in my Google Groups, I can see my sheet which I have just I'm embedded. So this is here. So if I make any change in my Google Sheet, this will be updated within 5 or 6 minutes. Suppose here I change the country USA. So once I update or I change this country, after some time in the website, this change will be reflected. So this time it is not showing the updation, but after some time it will show the updation, because it takes time when you update anything in the Google Sheet, Google Docs, any Google application. So wherever you share your document, wherever you share your sheet, or wherever uh, you are giving your sheet, and if you make some changes, any change, that will be reflected in the same sheet uh, whom with you share your sheet. So this is how we can embed the link in the web page, and this is how we can share the link with the people. And one thing is sure, if you make any change, if you delete any data, if you modify some data, this will also be reflected in the same link or embedded link wherever or whom with you share your sheet link. So how do you like it? If you like it, kindly share and subscribe, and drop a comment in the description box. I'll be highly obliged, rather, and be happy to see your comment. And if there is a query, I can try to resolve that, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.